Welcome back to another episode of Dev Diaries. And it's pretty late right now, but while I've been working on this, I don't want to say game per se, but what I want to say, excuse me, I've been working on these features, testing out a lot of Phantasma features, and just showing what I have at the current moment in case you want to use this for your game, snatch this up. So currently, if you, let me just start this. If you start your game and you don't have Poltergeist started up, what will happen is that you will have to click whatever your login button a couple of times in order to get it to connect to Poltergeist. So as you will see down here, it'll say connection closed, attempting to reconnect. Right, that's all my code. It's going to keep attempting to reconnect for a few times. As you will see, retries, right? So I'm going to open up Poltergeist. Open it up. You can't see it right now because it's on another screen, but I'll open it up. You'll see connection open. And let me just open up one of my wallets. And then I could click log in, right? It'll send that to me. Boom. And now I'm logged in. Additional bonus with that is that, as you can see right here on the side, let me lower this down some. As you can see on the side, I have the soul balances and the kcal of whatever wallet that I have open, right? That's an additional bonus for that. The best thing, and you'll see that this is now logged in. The next step, to be honest, I'm gonna close off this wallet right now. Let me close this off and show you something else real quick. As you see, once I close it off, well, I'm trying to go back up. You'll see it's going to keep pinging the wallet. It'll say connection closed. Now that the wallet is closed, it will start back again trying to reconnect to the wallet. So as you'll see, give it a couple of seconds. It will say whatever, retrying to connect, retries left, however many retries are left. And it's going in the background. So right now it says 7 retries left, which is okay. I go start back up Poltergeist wallet. And as you can see, it will stay connection open as soon as the wallet is initialized. So you can see the wallet is on here, and it will say initialize, or just give it a second. It'll say it. It's already initialized. See, reconnected to the wallet successfully. But anyway, the next steps that I need to do for this would be to automatically keep refreshing this balance, say for an event when something happens. Also, what I would like to have happen is that once you are logged in, let's say I have an options right here, you could click keep me logged in, or something similar to say, how can I put this? Export the private key to some file in the game and encrypt it. And then when you do a transaction, or when you don't have to log into your wallet all the time to do a transaction. You could just say, select the wallet, what you want to transact with. It'll have that private key exported and saved, encrypted, of course. And then when you want to do a transaction, it'll decrypt that private key and then hit the transaction. That's next steps. But for right now, I will push this code to the GitHub for wallet reconnectability. Next thing will be logged in reconnectability whenever you close the wallet and you open it back up, so you don't have to keep hitting log in on there. But that's it for now. If you have any questions or need any help implementing this, let me know. Take it easy.